Guys, we're here to look for a new bed. Too soft? Oh, nice and soft. Medium? Which one do you want? There's, there's so many. Okay, which one? Which one, buddy? Which one? Which bed? What do you think, sir? Oi.
Why are we gonna buy chairs?
Let's go. Which bed you like, Mama? Nice beds here.
This bed.
This one is the king.
Mommy, I like this bed.
That's nice.
But when I pull it down, it feels like marshmallow.